If your Subaru Impreza feels like it is holding back or hesitating when you try to merge into traffic, the cause is a delay in hydraulic pressure inside your transmission. This dangerous lag happens because the fluid has worn out and the computer is getting confused. When you step on the gas, the transmission cannot clamp the internal metal chain fast enough to move the car. To prevent that chain from slipping and ruining the metal pulleys, the computer cuts your engine power for a second. You feel this as a dead pedal, exactly when you need to move the most. This specific problem comes from a mix of old fluid and slow solenoids inside the valve body of your TR580 Lineartronic transmission. It usually starts once you pass 50,000 miles. If the road is wet, the traction control system makes it even worse by cutting power at the tiniest bit of wheel spin. To fix this and make your car safe to drive again, you need to follow a clear service path. First, perform a full drain and fill using only official Subaru constant velocity transmission fluid type 2. Do not let a shop use a high-pressure flush machine, because that can damage the internal seals and it leaves old fluid trapped in the torque converter. A standard drain and fill replaces the friction modifiers that the solenoids need to build pressure quickly. Second, you must have a technician use a professional diagnostic scan tool to perform a transmission control module adaptive relearn. This process wipes out the old and slow shifting patterns the car has learned over time. Third, make sure the technician updates your transmission firmware to the latest calibration. This update changes the pressure mapping logic to ensure the pulleys engage without that delay. If you ignore this hesitation, the metal chain will eventually scratch the pulleys. Once that physical damage happens, a fluid change will not help you, and you will have to replace the entire transmission. You should also listen for a shaking or juddering feeling at 40 miles per hour. That is a sign the torque converter lockup clutch is failing. Fresh fluid and a software reset are the only ways to restore the immediate throttle response you need for highway merging. Most people think this fluid lasts forever, but that is not true for these belt-driven systems. If you want the car to stay reliable past 100,000 miles, you should perform this service every 36,000 miles or every 3 years. Do not wait for the car to feel dangerous before you look at your maintenance logs. Taking care of the hydraulic system now is the difference between a simple service and a total transmission failure. If you have hit that 50,000-mile mark and feel a lag, get your fluid checked right away. This simple maintenance step keeps your power delivery smooth and predictable every time you pull out into traffic. Keeping the valve body clean ensures those small fluid passages do not get blocked by heat-damaged oil. A healthy transmission should react the moment your foot touches the pedal without any hesitation or dragging feeling. Check your service records today to see when your last transmission service was performed. If you are past 50,000 miles on the original fluid, you are already in the danger zone for this specific hesitation issue. It is much cheaper to swap the oil and reset the computer than it is to buy a new transmission. Keep your car moving forward by staying ahead of the fluid breakdown. Your safety on the highway depends on the transmission grabbing that chain the moment you ask for power. Check your mileage and see if you are due for a refresh.